sure if any of you guys out there had the same problem I did when I first picked this bike up, but the heel toe shifter, the heel portion was really low, and needless to say, the toe was really high. So high that I couldn't just pivot my foot on my my heel and bring it down. I actually had to pick my whole foot up and go ahead and click on this to go ahead and downshift. So I knew it was just basically something I needed to adjust. Now, if you look at some of the forums, I'm not a big fan of the forums. Some of the guys talk about messing around with this rod, unscrewing stuff and adjusting this and all the rest of it. You don't need to touch this at all, guys. Don't listen to that crap. Okay, in order to do this, you come right down here. Here's the culprit right here. Okay, so I got a little cap on it. You basically take this bolt all the way out because there's a slot inside this little axle, I guess you could call it here, this little rod, and you take that out, and then you take this and you basically pull it off. It's a spline with a bunch of teeth, and all I had to do was rotate mine one tooth, and that was enough to go ahead and give me this height for the heel and this height for the toe, which is perfect. It's actually identical to the way my VTX was. You slide it back on, you slide the bolt back through, and tighten it up. I always use a little bit of Loctite, and of course I always dress things up with a little cap on there, and voila, done. That's all you have to do. So don't mess around with this. Don't listen to the chowderheads that tell you to go ahead and start screwing around with the length of this rod. This is set at the factory. Don't mess with that. What you're trying to do is move this, not go ahead and change the distance on this rod. And you do that right here. It's the simplest thing. It'll take you a whopping 2 minutes, and you'll be the happiest guy in the world. Anyway, guys, I will go ahead and get this on YouTube for you. Go ahead and share this information. Remember, like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for future content. And I'll see you again on the next YouTube video concerning the Kawasaki.